Listful. What do you mean by listful?
Parang timang to.
Listfulness. What does this mean? Is it similar to? Your figure of the thinker here by Buddha.
Yan si sir. Yan si sir.
Anong iniisip niya? Asan mo naiwan?
Yung mga kamag-anak ko sa may Toronto, Canada. Ito nga po.
Masaya po dito sa
Adventurous.
ano, pwede ilipin. Si Naomi
On the
nga.
second column.
Ito si Vico. Ganun pa rin. Wala pa rin pinagbago. Hit pa rin sa picture.
Primitive, early beginnings, is original, and oftentimes they're innovative. And they're very
I-upload mo sa ano?
Ito pa yung mahaba yan eh. Yan sir. Hello.
There is fusion, a mixture of tradition. Modern times selective, or sometimes
Sila,
really
nakikita ba?
innovative, because they are fond of copying. They're
Wala
copying.
talaga kami magawa.
They are not innovative.
Tingnan niyo po yung dalawa ha. Kaya lang
But
sir.
what's the idea?
Ay,
Does your cell phone function also as technical?